you kids having fun?
We were just gonna come in and see what they were doing up here.
He looks like he's enjoying the whole thing. Smoking his pipe and just walking down the middle of Broadway.
That's how it's done, Sharon. That's what you got to do this afternoon.
Yes, Sheila.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
Sharon.
You take shovel and you scoop snow.
Up, down, up, down.
Yeah. Saxton from the Douglas County Historical Society. It's March 5th, 1985. We have had a blizzard since Sunday. We have now recorded approximately 24 inches of snow. We are now digging out in Alexandria. The other day when we were out here, less than a week ago, there wasn't one piece of snow.
One piece of snow.
And here we are, March 5th, 1985. As you can see, as we're proceeding down Broadway, traffic is moving very slowly. Plows, trucks are going full force to dig out the people in Douglas County. Now on the intersection of Broadway and 3rd, traffic moves very cautiously. And rightfully so. Some of the old timers here in Douglas County that have reported in have said this is the worst snowfall that's ever been, they've ever seen or lived through. What I'm going to do now, as we're in the White Farm Equipment dealership, noticing how the tractors are even buried, and this is right in town.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
We are in the White.
You already said that.
I'm going to take a flying leap into the snow, and this is going to be an action shot. Can you get it?
Yep.
Oh! I couldn't resist that. We're at 4th and Broadway, looking west. As you can see, all you see is sometimes just the tops of the cars. We'd like to ask you a couple of questions. Have you lived in business how long?
Yes.
Do you ever remember this much snow coming in one crack?
No.
So, what are some of your thoughts about all this
I
stuff?
like it.
You like it?
I like snow. I like winter. Always have.
Well, that's good that you're in Minnesota.
Only thing would be nicer, easier to get around.
Yeah. Any interesting stories you've heard, from anybody? Any, like people being stranded or babies wanting to be born during this? Or?
No, not really.
Okay, so it's been kind of an uneventful.
Yeah, I think so. I think we're fortunate there weren't any fire calls or anything like that. That's what I've heard. So.
Well, thank you. Are you enjoying the snow today?
Yeah, that's really nice.
auto shop? Oh, right there. Are you kids having fun?
We were just gonna come in and see what they were doing up here.
See, now watch, she's gonna blow the snow in there. What other fun things are you gonna do today? What else are you gonna do?
Snowball?
Just play in the snow. Yeah. Tunnel, you big kid. Yeah. It'll be real interesting 50, 100 years from now how we remove snow in 85 versus how they'll do it 100 years later. Hi. He looks like he's enjoying the whole thing. Smoking his pipe and just walking down the middle of Broadway.
The only place to walk. Just looking the situation over.
It's amazing how Minnesotans dig their way out and within less than 24 hours. You know, the traffic is moving, people are out moving, life begins again. Even the postal people are out. "24 inches of snow does not stop the postman." Are you enjoying the snow?
Yes. I know.
Yep, and no. What are the things that you enjoy about it?
I like it because it looks so nice and clean, but I don't like the slipperiness
Have you lived in Douglas County long?
all my life.
Have you ever had or witnessed this much snow before?
Yes, I think it was the 70s. 4 days then, 76 or something.
What did you do these 3 days in the winter? Did you do anything fun?
Crawl the walls.
Crawl the walls.
That's how it's done, Sharon. That's what you got to do this afternoon.
Yes, Sheila.
Thanks for telling me.
Yeah.
Sharon.
You take shovel and you scoop snow.
Up, down, up, down.
Yeah.
One time in the city.